Hi, I'm Mira from Flow with Mira. Today class is Pilates for strong chest and arms. What you need for the class is some arm weights, 1 kilo, 2 kilos or more if you're up for it. But if you do not have any access to any arm weights, you may swap them for equal weight water bottle. Okay, let's begin the class. So put the arm weight on the side for a second and let's come to a seated position. You may cross the leg here. We're just going to warm up our shoulder here. So we're just going to swing the arms up and around and again and back as you inhale and inhale and exhale. Let it loose. And 3 more and 2 and 1 and the other direction. Take it up and down. In breath and 3 more, 2, 1, and let it go. And some side stretches here. Take your arms out to the side. Let's go to my left, your right, and take the top arm over. And come up, and over to the other side. And left, and over to your right. And keep the chest nice and open, spine nice and long, over to your left. And up. 1 more each side. And up. And the last one. And let it go. Some spinal rotation. So let's rotate to your right, my left. We twist as we inhale, keeping the spine nice and long. Let it go. Over to the other side as we inhale. Exhale. Center. Again, to your right, my left. Exhale. And exhale. Switch sides. In breath. And exhale. Last one. And okay. Interlace your hands behind you. Okay. Lifting the spine tall. We are going to stretch the pectoral, the front of the chest here. Take your arms off the floor and then go ahead and lean the body forward and as low as you can. And then take your arms a little higher. Perhaps you can kiss that forehead down to the floor. And take your arms up to the ceiling. Inhale, staying here. Exhale. 1 more. And exhale. And slowly roll the spine up. And switch the legs. And we do it again. Inhale. Lift the arms. And hinge down. And take the forehead down to the floor. And take the arms up a little higher. Opening and pulling open the front of the chest. Inhale, stay. And then as you exhale, roll the spine upward. And sitting nice and tall. All right, check it out and let's grab those arm weights. So I have 1 kilo here today. You're welcome to use 2 kilo or even higher than that. Okay, so come up into a kneeling position. If this is too uncomfortable for your knee, you may fold your mat in half, or you could even sit in this position or even a cross-leg position. Okay, so I'm going to kneel today, making sure your spine is nice and long. All right, bend the elbows. We start with some external rotation. So we're working the rotator cuff muscle here. We open as you exhale. In breath. Again, open, in breath. Keep the collarbone open, but I do not want you to pinch that shoulder blade together. So shoulder blade stays nice and wide. Exhale. Exhale. 4 more. 3, 2, and last, we stay, some little pulses to the back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We stay. Then reach the arms out and elbows in. So stay in external rotation, arms long, and bring it in. And 3, and in. And 4, in. And 5, and 6, chest is open. And 7, 8, 2 more. 9, last one, 10, we stay. Little circle for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend the elbows. Bring the elbow in front of the shoulder. For the rhomboids, keep the shoulder blade apart. Keep the chest open. Open the arms. So your elbows about 90-degree angle here. And then we bring it forward. And we open. Palms face into your ears. And on 3. On 4. And 5. And 6. 7, 8, 9, and 10. We stay. Some little pulses to the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Turn the palms forward. Stretch it up. 1, 2. Chest is open. And 3. And 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more here. 9. Last one, stay up. Fingertips together. Bend the elbows for the triceps. We stretch up. 1. And 2, and 3, 4, 5, almost there, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open the arms, let it go down. Let's do some arm circle. We take the arms forward and turn the palms forward, open to the side and down. And 2. So big circle here and down. And 3. And down. 4. And down. 5. 6. 7. 8, hold that center in, 9, and last one, 10. We reverse, we go out, up, and turn the palms as you go down, and then up, on 2, palm facing forward, and up to the ceiling as you go down, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, almost there, 9, and 10. Well done. Okay, now shake it up for a second. And I'd like you to come up onto your knees. And I'd like you to send the pelvis back. Okay, now your body side tilted forward. And then dangle the arms down. Hold the center. And then let's pull the arms back. And we go down. And pull 2. And 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more, 9. Last one, we hold little pulses to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We hold, bend the elbows, and we extend. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, chest is open, 4, excuse me, 3, that's my voice there, 2, last one, lift the pelvis forward and lift the spine up. All right, let's put the arm weight aside for a second and let's go to a quadruped position here. So moving on to the next one, working the chest muscle. Okay, so quadruped position, align the center of your heel or the heel of your palm. The heel of your palm with the shoulder. Then the knee with the center of your hips. Chest is open, spine is long. Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to lean the pelvis back. Okay, so your shoulder somewhere between your hand and your knees. Elbows down. Then bring the body forward. Push up. So modified push up here. So lean back. Elbow down. Shoulder forward. Push up. And back. Elbow down. Shoulder forward. Push up. Again, back. Elbow down. Keep the spine long. Shoulder forward. Push up. Chest is open. Elbow down. Shoulder forward. Push up. 2 more times. And down. Forward. And up. Last one. And down. And forward. And up. And stand up quadruped position. Tuck the toes under here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's press the hands down. Pull up the belly. Press the feet down. Float the knees off. And we stay. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, don't go down. We're going to stretch your right leg out for modified front support and bring it in. And left, and in, and right, and in, and left, and in. On 3, in, and out, in. On 4, in, and out. On 5, in, and out. On 6, in, and out. And 7, in, and change. And 8, and change. And 9, and left. Last set, and left. Bring it back. Lower the knee, release your ankle. All right, let's go to a modified push-up. So a tricep push-up here. Open the chest. Let's send the chest forward. And then we push away. Right, collarbone open. Exhale, press. And on 3. And up. And 4. And up. You may not go down as low as I go, and that's okay, but I like you to focus on the stability of the shoulders here. And press. And 6. And press. As you go down, I'm thinking about pushing up already. So try not to sink down to the floor. And press. 2 more. And press. Last one. And press. Well done. Send the pelvis back. Stretch your arms forward for a quick rest position here. And roll the spine up. Okay, last exercise. Let's go to our back support. We straighten the legs forward. All right, so your feet are hip width apart, slightly apart in the heels. The chest is open, hands behind you. Fingertips facing forward. Okay, proud chest. Then we breathe out, we lift. And we go down. Again, 2. And we go down. On 3. And down. On 4. And 5. Keep your gaze up to the ceiling when you lift the pelvis up. 6. And 7. And 8. 2 more, 9. Last one, 10. And come back down. Okay, bring the feet in. Go into little diamond press or diamond shaped arm. Arms forward, shake it out. Shake the shoulders, shake the body. Okay, let's go. And we roll the spine down just to finish the class. And take the body forward. And inhale at the bottom. Exhale, roll it up. Let's do one more time here. We in-breath. Exhale, we roll it down. And walk your hands forward. In-breath. Exhale, we roll it up. And lifting the spine. Excellent job. Thank you for joining me today. I wish you a lovely day. Have a great day. Congratulations on completing the class. Well done. I'm Mira, and I'm here to help you to look and feel your absolute best. If you enjoyed this video, click the first link in the comments and sign up. I will instantly send you my favorite Pilates for total strong body members only workout. This workout will open, stretch, and strengthen your entire body. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my free videos. See you in the next class.